Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see some Unix commands, Unix shell scripts using the conditional statements. So we'll jump on straight to the questions. So the first question is calculating a grade of student. So for calculating a grade of student, so we'll just jump on to the particular shell script file and we can see it. So in case if the grade is more than 90, so we can see enter the number, it would read the number and it would check whether the number is greater than 90. If it's greater than 90, it's going to echo first division. Else if it's the number is lesser than 90 and the number is greater than 70, then it's going to show second division, or else it's going to echo the third division. So this is the basic shell script. So we're going to so we can say enter number. So we are going to give 45, which should give us a very low, what we say, division. So we can see third division. In case we are going to give something like enter number 98, it would go to give first division. So this is the first exercise. The second one is, the second task is we have to show the, actually I should not run it first, I'll just describe the program first, then it would be easier to understand. So it's basically we have to enter the marks, we have to enter the marks in wait a second, I'm going to just enter the marks, internal marks out of 140, the internal marks are entered, then the external marks out of 100 I'll enter it externally, as external. Then I'm going to convert internal marks, whatever internal marks I've got out of 140, into 60%, that is internal marks, into 60 by 100, and converting the external marks into 40%, that is going to be external into 40 by 100, and I'm going to add those particular two numbers, and I'm going to check whether that is, if that is greater than 45, and on top of that, and also if my external marks is more than 36, then only I'll be given a pass grade, or otherwise I'll be given a fail grade. So I'll just program here. So it's asking internal marks out of 140, I'll give it something good marks, and external out of I'll give 67. So it's showing pass. In case if I want to just diminish the, I'll give full marks, let's say in internal, and external I'll give very low. So we know external marks have to be more than 36 in the conditional statement, otherwise I'll be giving a fail. So it's showing fail. So that's how it's working. The second one. The third one, we have to just see whether the alphabet which has been entered is a vowel or not. So we can see we're just going to enter an alphabet, and using case switch case, we are going to just in case for A, E, I, O, U, it's going to print vowel, and in the default we are going to add as consonant. So we'll just run it. So we can see enter an alphabet, and here enter an alphabet, we are going to give W, and it's showing it as a consonant. If we are going to just give us, what would I say, E, if I'm giving it, it will, sorry, I haven't run it. So if I give it E, it would give it as a vowel. So this is the fourth one, actually the third one. Now we are going to use the fourth one, which is going to show the salary payment. So we are going to enter the gross salary, and if the salary is lesser than 1500, then DA would be salary is 90% and HRA would be salary is 10%. and we're going to show that division of DA and HRA, or else if salary is more than 1500, the DA would be 98% of the salary and HRA would be directly 500. We are going to just check the output here. We are going to enter more than, so it's giving 1568, which is 98% of 1600, and the HRA would be directly 500. So we're going to moving on to the next one. The next one is we have to find we have to make a calculator. So basically we have used this use case, sorry, a switch case, and here we are going to enter the option, whatever option we want, and we're going to enter a number and it would be done. So you can see it, enter numbers, and all the stuffs are present here. So we'll just move on and execute this following file. So we can see for addition, if we press it, 2 plus 3 would be 5. In case for we are going for multiplication, we're going to give 34 into 2, it's going to 68. In case we want to find a sign value, so sign value we are going to enter degree. What is going to be the degree? We know sine 1 is 1, oh sorry, sine 90 is 1, so we're going to press 90 and it's showing sine 90 is 1. So this is how we are going to do that. And the last task was to convert the given time, which has been entered in seconds, into hour, minute, seconds. So this is how we have done. Hour would be time divided by 3600, minutes would be a modulus of 3600 and divided by 60, and for second we are just going to modulus of 60 and echo the particular hour, minute and seconds. So just show it to you. Oh, we have done it. We are going to enter hours. Let's give it 3660. So it's going to show 1 hour, 1 minute and 0 seconds being present in that particular seconds. So that's it. That's how we're going to use the conditional statements in a Unix program. So thank you for watching.